volunteers of Aam Aadmi Party, along with 40 coordinators or representatives from all our constituencies, will be assembling at Fatarpur, and we will be lighting a Mashal. 40 Mashals will be lit. These Mashals, 40 Mashals, along with the 40 representatives, will be taken back to 40 constituencies. They will go back to their respective constituencies. And on 17th, we will be reconvening at 9 o'clock at GMC. So 40 flames from Fatarpur will go back to 40 constituencies. And then the next day, we are all coming together at GMC at 9 o'clock, from where there will be a rally through the constituency of Santa Cruz, which was the constituency represented by Dr. Jack Desiquera in the Goa Assembly, and will be winding up at the memorial statue of Dr. Jack at Donapal Circle, to commemorate a man who played an instrumental role at a time when Goa was threatening to be a part of Maharashtra and we would have lost our identity. Today, if there are politicians fighting elections and wanting to become Chief Minister of the state, it is as a result of that historic opinion poll. Again, we do not say that he was the only person who was responsible for that opinion poll. He was one of the stellar leaders. There were others. We want to bring everybody together for Goa. That is the idea behind this 40 flames going to 40 constituencies and coming together. The entire significance of this is Goa, from every part, every corner of Goa, will be coming together to pay homage to this great man.